Hi everybody, this is Mark Vogel. I'm working with Evan Giese on our Module 3 project. The technology tool we chose to use is Quizizz. This tool is very similar to Kahoot. One of the main differences with Quizizz and Kahoot is Kahoot, the class is all doing the same problems at the same time, where Quizizz, where it allows the students to kind of work at their own pace, which I have found to be pretty beneficial, and it kind of cuts back on students just guessing. In Kahoot, I think a student might sit there and see everybody answering real quick, so they might just quick hit an answer rather than trying to solve the problem or actually answer the question correctly. So on the home page here, I'm already logged in my account, but here's some popular quizzes that a lot of other teachers are using right now, I guess, kind of like a trending page. But if you go over to the left side here, you can also search. This is pretty cool. You can search topics that other teachers have already used. And let's just say I'm going to search solving equations. Here I can pick a quiz that somebody already created. This one was played 672 times, and it's for the 6th grade level. And as you can see, the questions are already made. And then if I want to go in and edit a question, I can see right here, here's what the answers are. It shows me what the actual correct answer is. And then if I actually want to add this quiz and use it myself, I can click duplicate, and that'll add it to my group. And if I go over here to my quizzes, this is all the quizzes that I've used in the past. So if I, for example, pull up the FOIL method, I can go through here, and if I want to edit the quiz over here on the right here inside, I can click edit, and let's see. If I say I want to edit question number 1, you just click edit there, and I can go in and then change answers and stuff like that. I also haven't had much experience with the equation editor for math in here, but there are ways you can insert equations. Also, if it's a question that needs the students need more time, you can set it to a different time amount. And then when you're ready for that question, you can just click save. And if there's more than one answer, you can click multi-select as well there. And you can also, if you want to make it true, false, or less answers, you can hit the trash can here to get rid of a option. Or if you want to add another answer, a 5th option, that's a possibility too. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to go back to my main page to show you how it looks like from a student view. So if I want to play this quiz right here, the FOIL method live, I click right here, this purple button, play live. Sometimes I have the students work in partners, so I won't shuffle the questions. So if they want to work together, they have the same question. I'll keep the answers unshuffled as well. And one thing I usually do is turn the timer off. That way the students can work at their own pace and they don't really get stressed out. So if I hit proceed, we're ready to roll here. And the code is right here at the top left. So 659558. So I'm going to go over here, 659558, just so you can see from a student perception what they're going to see. And then if I click start, you can see from the teacher view up here, I'm already in there. And I'm going to start the quiz. Usually you'll wait till all the kids are in there, but I'm just going to show you a quick example here. So this is what the teacher view looks like, and I usually zoom in on this up to the front and scroll so that the students' names aren't shown, but it's cool to show the students right here this accuracy bar where they can see how many their entire class. So once you start getting questions right, this bar starts to fill up, and as they get wrong, this one starts to fill up. So I'll look at number 1 here from a student viewpoint. The answer should be 4x squared plus 11x plus 6, which is this one down here. So I got it correct, so it gave me 1,000 points. And it has a cool little saying, and then it has the rankings as well here. So I'm the only person in here right now, but the rest of the class will pop up there too. So if I click blue, it's correct. Here I'm still in first place because I'm the only person playing. Say you were to answer one incorrectly, so let's say I pick this one over here. There, it just gives me no, it comes up red, and I get no points. So back to the teacher view, you can see I got 2 questions right, 1 wrong. The whole class accuracy is 67%. Finally, the nice thing about Quizizz is the instant feedback it provides. When students are finished, it gives them They see their entire percentage, what they got correct, and they can scroll through and see which problems they got correct as well. And then also, real quick, as a teacher standpoint, if I go back to reports here and I click on, say, multiplying polynomials, I can see what my students and their accuracy. And if I want to go through questions as well, I can go through and say, well, let's see, 3 people missed this problem, 27 got it correct, and 2 did not attempt it. So I can go and get pretty quick instant feedback myself as a teacher as well.